Hey guys, we are back on Ring GG, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Go 3v3 normal. Let's go 200 constructions. 10% USP. Let's see where tickets are sitting today. Come on, we're gonna need hits up top today. Nope. Okay. Ooh. At least give him a purple. Oh, all reds. That's crazy. 11. Not too bad. Give us one hit up on top. Well, looks like this one was not it. Too cushioned. Let's get one more in here. Let's get a big brain. No, you know what? I'm gonna stay off of jackpot mode right now. Come on, hits on bottom. It's a start. Go down, alright. Come on, hit on bottom on dead end. Ooh. Just no gold. Please, no gold. Alright, 7, not too bad. Come on, pull on bottom on Arsenal. Nice. No. Come on. Big brain? Somebody? No. Alright, let's see if a three-way will pay. Come on, pulls on right. Never actually seen this helium hit. Come on, one hit, please. Let's go. No hits on the helium. Maybe a couple on dollar store. Right, left. Nope. They both have to pull. Nope, not enough. Alright, let's see. Let's go jukebox, big brain. We'll throw a falling on a budget and a foggy. Run this 2v2 crazy. Come on, we need pulls on right side. We're just choosing all the wrong game modes today, I guess. Oh, I didn't realize someone joined my team. Wasn't even a bot. Sweet. We need to pull on right side, come on. Stick something on right, please. And he pulls again. Nice, of course it's a silver. Bro looks underage, and that's a nice pull. Sweet. One pull on foggy, please. No, of course not. Man, looks like we're just gonna rinse today, I guess. Let's go for a little bit bigger of a battle. See if we can't get a little bit of that money back. Two acids. Throw in a coral. And art. And this one we're gonna have to throw on crazy jackpot. Give us at least a chance to win, hopefully. Come on, big hits on bottom. Nope. One pull on acid would be really nice. Okay, keep that, keep that. Okay, we will take this. Come on, give us a gold somewhere. One gold. Keep that. Nope. Two reds is good. Come on, another hit on bottom. Coral's a good case to pull on. Art. Don't let this mess us up. Come on, please. Good hit on bottom. Hold that. Yes. Okay. Come on, gold pool. Red, not terrible. All we gotta do is win this. Red and yellow, just don't snipe us. Thank you. Almost back up to starting balance. Let's throw a couple dead ends, a couple arsenals. Throw a glorious in there. We'll throw a 10% block. 3v3. Let's do regular jackpot this time. Let's hope our tickets come through. Any big hits on top. Okay. Go down. Alright. At least it's just one of them. Jackpot, at least give him a good hit. Okay, it's not too bad. $11. Come on, we need hits on top on Arsenal. A little bit better hits, please. We need some rain spins. Okay, hold that. Give us top pull. At least give us good percentage. Okay. $10, not bad. Okay, now we really need to pull on top. No. That is not good. Come on, lowest ticket. No gold, no gold. Stay, don't blow. Alright. We still got 21%. We need to hit on top, please. No hits. Come on, we need to snipe this. And we snipe it, actually. That is the first time much profit, but it is fine. Alright. Let's go one blackout. Alright, one blacked out. Let's do a boxed up, and let's do a cursed. Alright. This is actually looking like a pair right here. Come on, let's hit massive hits on the right side. Give us a cash out today. No hits on blacked out. It's all good. Boxed up. This would be a massive crate to pull on. No, not for me though. Come on. Alright. Come on, pull pink, pull pink. Nope. I just took all of our percentage away. Okay. Two acids. Actually, no. You know what? We'll go driftwood. Panic. We'll go with justice. Big hits on bottom. There's one guy out. We need these two to pull a big ticket. Ooh, go down, please. No. 50-50 so far. Come on, at least give us a gold. Okay. Now it's interesting. Come on, we need one of these two dudes to pull. Oh, okay. Nice. And this guy already had no percentage anyways. Give us another gold. Gold. Come on, keep that, go down. All right. Okay, this is looking nice. Don't let them snipe this, come on. Oh, keep going. Of course. It's all good though. All right. All right, let's go for this three-way crazy jackpot. I've seen one of the bots pull on these grippers. I'm hoping that's gonna be the case. Okay. We all pull same. At least give us one pull off of this. No hits on grippers. Alright. There's one little hit. Come on, we need a hit right here in the middle. 5% ticket. Nope. Oh, bait. Look at that. Arsenal, we at least need one good pull. Come on. Not me, not me, not me. Nice. Alright, let's do a 4-way. Let's do another 4-way crazy. Let's go a little bit bigger. Big brain. Go only blues. And a Glock. Hopefully that blues doesn't mess me up. We need them to pull better. Come on, big pulls. No. Come on, we need these guys to pull. Oh, I'm out of the race. Come on. Red. Nothing. Yeah, looks like we're rinsing today. Alright, let's go back for a bigger battle. Alright, this is half of the balance. Come on, we need to come back. Give us the rejuice, please. It's on bottom. We need one rain spin on bottom. Okay. Give him a gold right here. Come on. Okay. Another pull on bottom. Oh, come on, match me. Yeah, there we go. Alright, this is getting really good. Both max pulls. Nice, both max pulls. Let's go. Come on. One more pull on bottom. Don't last case me, please. Okay. We will take that. That is a nice W. Let's go. Alright, let's go a little bit more. Expensive. Five cases, we'll go 3v3. I don't know if I'm feeling jackpot. No, I'm not feeling jackpot. Am I feeling crazy? I am not feeling crazy. Come on, give us good hits on top. We need our tickets right here. Both, let's go. Okay, that's a beautiful start. Come on. Give us 2 golds. 1 gold at least. 1 gold, 1 gold. Go down, I think that's max hit. No, that was 81. That's nice, that's a nice hit. Come on, we need more hits on top. Some of these other cases can really mess us up, but let's see. Come on. Good hits on top. No hits at all. Why are you running dry? Come on. Good hits. There's some hits. Last case. Come on. This one can really mess us up. Keep that. Keep that. Nice. Come on. Give us a gold. Slaughter. Give us a slaughter so we can Volt summon cash out. Purple wasted. Still good pair though. Let's go. All right, we are finally above what we were at. Alright, I'm gonna have to make this, probably make one more bigger battle. Make this my last battle. Gonna have to get back. Oh, I can maybe do one more battle. 2 panics. 2 cursed. Okay. Alright, come on. This is looking like a nice call. Let's get that wildfire on bottom. Keep that. Nice. Come on, give us a gold on bottom. Nice, that is really good. Oh, that's beautiful, actually. Come on, we need more hits. Let's get some feet up in here. Another hit, keep that. Another one on panic. Can we get another gold? Almost. But we will take it. Come on, massive hits on bottom. Hold that. Bot 16 has got some tickets today. Can we get one more on 4? 1 gold. Go down. It's all good, and we will take that. Come on, hit on bottom. I don't even care if we hit that. Alright. That's a really good paying one. Alright, I think I'll cash out at 100. We'll make a $39 battle and see if we can't get something good off of that. Let's see. Throw a maze. Let's throw a white knight. Feeling lucky, let's throw a farmer. Night before. Let's get one more $8 case. No, that's a little too risky for me. Let's do flammable. This is looking good. And we'll run this one 3v3 normal. Oh, actually, it's $39. I still got $9 more. Plague Doctor's a nasty one. Let's just go with Vampire's Kiss. What about Heater? Ooh. Oh, it's a 20%. That looks really juicy. One time. Alright, after this, we'll be cashing out. Hopefully we win big off of this one. Like I said, 3v3 normal. Make sure everything's in line. Alright, come on. Big hits on top. Give this a good cash out. Some kind of hits. Come on, we need good hits. We need rain spins. Nothing. Farmer. I know this can pay massive. Let us hit here. Let's go. Lock in. Let's get some Omega gloves, please. Anything gold, please. Anything gold. It's okay. Alright, come on. Big hits on top. We still got cases that can really mess us up. Alright, we gotta lock in here, you guys. Please give us rain spins on top. No, that is the worst case scenario. I think we might be cooked. Oh yeah, we're definitely cooked. Unless we hit here, that's the only way we're winning. Come on, give us one hit on top. No, it was so close. It is okay though. for those of you guys that stuck around, thank you very much. If you guys could please like and subscribe. And if you guys would like to join my Discord, I will be doing giveaways in there and also free battles. Thank you guys again. You have a great day.